In today's video, I'm going to teach you a guide how to export Figma design to Android Studio using Export Kit. We'll walk through the entire flow inside Figma, then use the Export Kit plugin to generate files you can bring into your Android project. I'll keep it clear and simple and share helpful tips along the way so you get clean, predictable results. Start by opening Figma and loading the design file you want to export. Make sure the screen you plan to export is organized as a top-level frame, not just a group. Frames are essential because Export Kit reads frame boundaries to determine screen size and layout. It also helps to give your layers meaningful names since those names can carry over to the exported structure and make things easier to find later. Next, look to the bottom area of Figma's interface and click the Action button. This opens the quick access options so you can reach resources like plugins. If your canvas is busy, zoom out a bit or deselect any layers so the interface is easier to spot. From there, choose Plugins and Widgets. This is where you can run any plugin you've used before and search for new ones. Keeping your plugins organized is a good practice, especially if you do a lot of handoff work for development. In the search field, type Export Kit. When it appears, select it to open the plugin. If it's your first time, Figma may prompt you to add it. Once it's available, launching it will dock a panel or open a window with export options. Give it a second to load your current document before moving on. Before you export, first select the frame you want to export to Android Studio. Selecting the frame itself, not just the layers inside, ensures the plugin understands the screen dimensions and layout. With that frame highlighted, choose Android as the export target in Export Kit. Review any available settings the plugin shows, like whether to include assets or how to handle text and images. Once everything looks right, click Export. The plugin will process your frame and download the output to your computer, typically as a zipped folder in your downloads. Keep an eye on your layer names, font usage, and image sizes. Clean design structure often results in cleaner export files and fewer adjustments later. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.